Mungyo Gallery's standard soft pastel sets are going to be your starting or jumping off point for the Mungyo soft pastel line. They're a really great value product, really highly rated on our website by our customers, and I hope to show you why, just demonstrating how they lay down on paper and how they work. One of the things that I really like, especially since I only do so much pastel myself, is the square shape is really great for, especially for those that are just getting started out, that want a little bit more control. An experienced pastel artist, same thing might apply, it just depends on your taste. I'll just show you a couple of things. Let me just lay some down. I've got a standard pastel paper here, and the color lays down really nice, really vibrant, not overly chalky, very smooth. And I will also go ahead and layer some, we'll do some layers. You can see how it goes over. And then we'll do some to the side, and we'll do a couple of little blends real quick. I just want to try to put the pastel in your hand and give you an opportunity to kind of see how they'll work. Start to get those shades of green. The square shape also gives you two great features, which is filling in large areas at once, and also detail work, because you're going to have a hard edge. So if you wanted to do more line controlled work, the square shape gives you that hard edge, which is really nice. Let me quickly show you here. This is a UArt sanded pastel paper. I'm always just so impressed with how the colors lay down on sanded pastel paper. You can see that it really grips the product very well and gives you a just very vibrant color. We made a little color chart here based on the packaging at 12, and you can see that the colors are vibrant. They're fairly opaque to semi-transparent, but I actually would say that these are more on the opaque side, which is great for layering, great for especially somebody that wants to add something like these half stick sets. This is the same product that comes in the full size, just half of them, so you get a whole assortment of, this is a 64 color set. It also has a full size stick, white and black, and then there's a 32 piece set. And then there's specialty sets as well, gray tones. We have earth tones. There's one that's just charcoal black, and then of course some sets of the assorted colors. So a lot of different options. And one of my favorite things, this goes across the board for any of the Mungyo products, is that they all are packaged in a way that travels really nicely. So whether it's this little blister pack that you can very easily put just a piece of tape on or staple and bring with you, or all their box packaging comes with a sleeve over it so the tops won't come off. Great feature, really handy. I hope that you give these pastels a shot, especially if you want to add pastels to your mixed media or have never used them before, or if you're an experienced artist and just looking for great value, because these are light, fast, and high quality. So hope you enjoy.